Now let's talk about the outcomes of all of this. Now each rep had a new and different lead to work on, which resulted in lead engagements to be 100%. It was time saving for the sales support and marketing teams, as they did not have to validate data of the prospect before engaging. There were fewer or no duplicate activities being performed now on any of the leads or contacts. So because of this, there was a unified customer view, since all the engagements were recorded on a single prospect record. Only one rep was working on one prospect, so this improved the conversations between rep and the potential customers. The people interested in the products of the company had much more confidence while buying due to the improved customer service. So previously, there were a lot of disputes between the sales team about commissions on the products sold, since that was done through multiple instances of the same prospect assigned to different reps, and multiple people had worked on them before the sale happened. So this issue was also eliminated.